Hello Motomotive enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. MV Agusta, based in Italy, has announced the Enduro Veloce, a new adventure bike model following the LXP ORIOLI. This is the third machine to be called the Veloce, following the Turismo Veloce and Super Veloce. The LXP ORIOLI, which was unveiled to the world for the first time at the 2023 EICMA Milan show and became a hot topic, is named after Eddie Orioli, a famous rider who won the Paris-Dakar Rally 4 times. It's an adventure bike. Orioli has won 2 of his 4 championships with Cagiva Elephant. The Enduro Veloce is a mass-produced model of the LXP ORIOLI, sold in a limited edition of 500 units worldwide, and is an adventure bike with even greater off-road performance. The engine is a 931cc water-cooled parallel 3-cylinder, the same as the LXP ORIOLI, and was newly developed for these models. In addition to reducing friction loss by applying DLC diamond-like coating to the camshaft, vibrations are suppressed by adjusting the countershaft and crank gear, resulting in a high-quality design typical of MV Agusta. Furthermore, by adopting a counter-rotating crank, which has been a specialty of MV Agusta in recent years, the gyroscopic effect of the front and rear tires is offset, resulting in nimble handling and turn-in. Therefore, even with the large 21-inch diameter front wheel, it is possible to quickly turn around. In addition, although it is a high-revving type with maximum output of 124 PS 10,000 RPM, 85% of the maximum torque is generated at 3,000 RPM, making it easy to handle on and off-road. The frame is a closed double cradle with a perimeter structure, which provides a high level of stability both at high speeds and off-road. To improve maintainability, the rear frame is removable. Brembo Stylema calipers deal with braking duties, while rear lift control and 2 levels of cornering abs are in place to help shrug off speed without mishap. Likewise, there are 8 different levels of traction control to dial in, and these act relative to your choice of tire. When switching from road rubber to knobblies, MV say the bike will learn the different characteristics and adjust TC intervention accordingly. Wheelie control is featured as standard, as is launch control capable, they claim, of propelling the 3-pod adventure from 0 to 62 mph in a sprightly 3.72 seconds. MV Agusta have thrown their hat into the adventure bike ring with the launch of their all-new Enduro Veloce. The machine follows on from the limited-run LXP ORIOLI, packing similar performance and looking almost indistinguishable from its more premium $28,400 sibling. The price for the Enduro Veloce has been confirmed at $23,185, although a release date in dealers is yet to be announced. The Italian adventurer is powered by a 931cc triple housed in a steel alloy frame, delivering power and torque figures of 122 bhp and 75 lb-ft respectively. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.